Good Thursday evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Tim Pandages. Labor Day weekend looks to be a wet one all across southeast Texas. We're looking at 80% rain chances Saturday, 70% on Sunday, and on Labor Day Monday, it drops down a little bit, 60% chance. The only good thing is that it does keep temperatures down in the mid-80s, but it will be extremely humid from all the Gulf moisture streaming in from the south, colliding with a boundary that'll be dropping in from the north. Those two together will act to squeeze that atmospheric moisture out. The result, widespread rain chances and flooding downpours going to be an issue all weekend long. Here's a look at those rain chances. 80% Saturday, 70% Sunday, 60% on Labor Day itself. And really this unsettled pattern spills right into the middle of next week. So here's how it looks on Future Track as we take you hour by hour. Starting off tomorrow morning, going through tomorrow evening, we're looking at another round of the daytime heating driven showers and downpours that we've seen pretty much every day so far this week. Expect the same tomorrow. It's not until Saturday that boundary comes in from the north, collides with that Gulf moisture, and we see more widespread heavy rain lasting into Saturday evening. Quiets a bit overnight into early Sunday before more rounds come on in, and we're looking at pockets of moderate to heavy rain. I don't think it's going to be raining all the time, but when it does, it's going to be more of those downpours, those tropical downpours, 1 to 2 inch an hour rainfall rates that we'll be looking at over a widespread area. And then here we are Monday morning. Monday, Labor Day itself looks to be best chances I-10 and points south. So if your plans take you to the beach, even Labor Day looks pretty wet down along the Texas coastline. How much rain could we see? All of it beneficial, of course. Our drought report that came out today showed big improvements. This rain will help to boost us even farther out of those drought conditions. 1 to 2 inches, 3 or 4 inches, certainly not out of the question here throughout the entirety of the weekend with some of those heavier downpours out there. All right, let's talk tropics now because we have a named storm for the first time in 60 days since Colin in early July. Now we've got Danielle, the fourth named storm of 2022, expected to become our first hurricane of the season too. The good news is it's way out in the middle of the Atlantic. It's not impacting land. It's not forecast to impact land. That's a great thing, strengthening to a Category 2 storm by later this weekend. 2 other waves to watch. One, high likelihood of developing. The next name would be Earl. Invest 91L as it is right now, scooting north of the Leeward Islands. 93 at Houston tomorrow, 91 at Katy. We're going to be one more hot and humid day before we're just humid heading into the upcoming weekend. I think this is it for the 90s for a little while. There's a look at the 7-day outlook. We've got temperatures in the mid-80s through the weekend, upper 80s by the middle of next week, and with falling rain chances by Thursday, temperatures look to make another run at 90 by the afternoon.